Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be going over Zig Zags.
All right, it's time for my favorite part of the season where we learn zigzags. This is the point where you guys are going to be marching for reals. Hey. Okay, so here in front of you, you can see the direction changes in zigzags. So the first point is going to be 8 forward. So you're going to be marching 8 steps forward, and then you guys are going to be doing a stab, which is similar to how you do a stab and going into a hold, but this is for a transition, not for a hold. So you will stab after 8 counts. As you can see in the next segment, you're going to be going to the left. So then you will stab, make a transition to the first step going to your left. So it's going to be 8 steps left. You could either be forward or backward slide. Then you stab, transition into forwards. So it's going to be forward 8. And then you stab again, etc., etc. Go to the right and forward. Then the last 8, when you go forward 8, you're going to go into a stab, and then you will be going into a hold. In the actual exercise itself, you would hold for 4, hold 2, then on count 3, like we mentioned in the previous video, you will bring your horns down in a horn manual on count 3. So just to review, it's forward 8, left 8, forward 8, right 8, and forward 8. And this is zigzags. In the following clip, I'll be demonstrating the zigzags exercise in a move 8, hold 8. That way you guys can see my feet and how I place my right foot when I stab into a direction change. This is called a transition. When going into a transition, foot placement is key. Without proper foot placement, you will hinder either your feet responsibilities like drifting or upper body posture, or your step size. Take a look. Here you can see my right foot is pointing at a 45-degree angle towards the left in order to make a proper transition. Also note that when doing this gridded, I would have my heel on the dot that signifies 8 steps when doing the exercise at an 8 to 5. Here you can see my stab is straight down the direction that I am going. Here my right toe is pointing 45 degrees to the right. Also keep in mind that your right foot is going to be on the line and your left foot is going to be in front when we transition from forward to right forward slide. Here you can see my foot placement going forward. And lastly, taking the hold. Remember when doing this exercise, everything that you learned previously with posture, technique, forwards, backwards marching, and slides must be at a minimum superb. That way, all you need to worry about is feet placements and execution of the exercise. Get those reps in. Here, I will be demonstrating zigzags at another angle continuously. Thank you guys for watching. This video's purpose is just to teach you the exercise, but keep in mind that the execution of this exercise is where the real work is at. Thanks again for putting in so much work. Don't let up now, guys. See ya.